SeadogSeven crew. Today's a nice day. It's Sunday. It's probably about 68 degrees out. So I'm gonna wash the bike again. She needs it. She got dirty after the pulling the plastic dip off the tank and painting all the miscellaneous parts in that. So we're gonna give it a wash and yeah, do a montage. Boop, boop.
Montage! Yeah, man! With montage magic, we built that body in no time. Boop, boop.
You guys have seen the other video where I did a wash on the bike, but my brushes are missing. Most of them. At least the one I used. Oh, now I gotta go find the brushes somewhere in the garage. I did end up buying a Corbin seat, but I've got some modifications to make to it. I've got a backrest I want to install on it, and trim pieces are on the bottom, and my alarm, the receiver on the alarm. So, yeah, just basic black. Ooh, what's that?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Yuck. Not sure why the British flag wasn't removed. I know it's a Triumph, but I didn't want the British flag on there. Finished washing the bike. I'm going to show you something I recommend everybody that has a motorcycle get one of these, because if you're detailing your bike and you want to go to a show or on a ride or something like that, you want to show off your bike, you don't want to wait for it to dry, and you don't want to have to towel dry it either. So I recommend one of these. It does say pet dryer, and this one does have a heating option. But the reason why I recommend it is so that you can blow dry your bike and ride it immediately after. I got this one off of Amazon. You can get whichever one you want. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but yeah, recommend this to anybody that has a motorcycle. I recommend getting one of these. Doesn't matter if it's this one or not. And there we have it. I did throw a little bit of polish on there. You can still kind of see the scratches, barely. See if I can get the angle right. But I use McGuire's compound and polish. So, you know, not that it's a custom paint job per se. I didn't want it to look custom faded.
Yeah, but it's custom. It's custom faded?
Using that air dryer really helps out a lot with any streaks, watermarks, or anything like that. And that's it. That is another washing the bike after the plastic dip's removed. Like I said, I did take off the Triumph logo. Not a fan. I'll have to figure out something with the Corbin seat too. Not a fan of the Triumph flag or the British flag, but it is what it is. I've got some parts coming, the trim parts, so I don't have to take them off this seat, and I can swap between seats as needed. But I'll have a separate video for that. Stay tuned, be blessed, and get out there and ride before winter comes.
There are S7 protocols, okay?
black is back. Oops. Dress appropriately. There's a good reason for that. Honestly, I never have had this issue of putting something in a hole. Stay tuned.